Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study some main topics of subject physics class first year. These video lectures are also useful for MBBS test. These lectures are in very simple words by which anyone can take help. If I missed anything in this video or you don't understand anything, so comment in the comment section. So let's move to our lecture. Let's explore 15 questions of physics with answers. What is vibratory motion? Vibratory motion refers to repetitive back and forth movement of an object around stable equilibrium position. It can be periodic like simple harmonic motion or non-periodic like general oscillations. What is Hooke's law? Hooke's law states that force exerted by a spring is directly proportional to the displacement from its equilibrium position. Mathematically, F is equal to minus kx, where F is the force, k is the spring constant, and x is the displacement. What are the characteristics of simple harmonic motion? Characteristics of simple harmonic motion include oscillation about an equilibrium position, motion is periodic and sinusoidal, motion is governed by restoring force proportional to displacement, constant frequency and amplitude if undamped. What is the energy of particle executing simple harmonic motion? The total mechanical energy of a particle in simple harmonic motion is the sum of its kinetic and potential energies. It remains constant throughout the motion. Can you provide examples of simple harmonic motion? Examples of simple harmonic motion include a mass spring system, a pendulum, and a vibrating guitar string. How is wave pulse generated? A wave pulse is generated by creating a sudden disturbance in a medium, causing localized displacement. For example, snapping a rope will generate wave pulse that travels along the rope. What are traveling waves? Traveling waves are waves that propagate through a medium by transferring energy from one point to another without a net displacement of medium. What are transverse waves? Transverse waves are waves in which particles of medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. Examples include water waves and electromagnetic waves. How are the traveling waves analyzed mathematically? Traveling waves can be described mathematically using equations involving amplitude, frequency, wavelength, and wave speed. General form is y. X and t is equal to a multiplied by sine kx minus wt, where a is amplitude, k is the wave number, W is angular frequency and x is position and t is time. Explain energy in waves. Waves transport energy without transporting matter. The energy of a wave is distributed between its kinetic energy, motion of particles, and potential energy displacement from equilibrium. What are standing waves? Standing waves are the result of interference between an incoming wave and its reflected wave. Nodes, points of zero displacement, and antinodes, points of maximum displacement are formed, creating stationary patterns. Differentiate between fundamental frequency and harmonics. The fundamental frequency is the lowest natural frequency of vibrating object. Harmonics are integer multiples of fundamental frequency producing higher pitched tones. What is a sonometer? A sonometer is a scientific instrument used to study the characteristics of vibrating strings and the principles of sound production. What are longitudinal waves? Longitudinal waves are waves in which particles of medium vibrate parallel to the direction of wave propagation. Sound waves are a common example of longitudinal waves. What is the speed of sound waves? The speed of sound waves depends on the medium's properties. In dry air at 20 degrees, the speed is approximately 343 meters per second. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe, comment and share our channel, Dr. Raza Academy and Educational Consultancy.